When I first applied to Twenix, I wasn't sure what to expect, but their onboarding process completely surprised me in the best way possible. And here's exactly how it went step by step. It all started with a short online application on Twenix's website, just a few questions about my teaching background, availability, and style. Once I hit submit, they got back to me quickly with the next step, 2 short demo videos. One was to show a natural conversation style class, and the other focused on giving feedback and correcting mistakes. After my videos were approved, I got access to the Twenix Onboarding course. The onboarding course covered everything from how the platform works, their unique teaching method, how to handle class transfers, troubleshooting, and even tips for peak teaching hours. All the videos were short, easy to follow, and I could go through them at my own pace. Then once I completed the training, I just uploaded my ID for verification. After that, my account was activated, and that was it. I was officially a Twenix teacher, or as we say, a Tweacher. I didn't have to go chasing students at all. Twenix assigns them to you automatically based on your availability. Throughout the entire process, I felt really supported. They have a dedicated Tweacher support portal with articles for absolutely everything. And if I have a question, I can always reach out directly and be sure to get a friendly, helpful reply on time. From my very first day, I had all the tools I needed to feel confident teaching on the platform. My entire onboarding experience was smooth and straightforward. So if you've been on the fence about applying to Twenix, take this as your sign to apply. The entire process is simple, the support is real, and before you know it, you'll be connecting with students too.